So now you see it start bubbling. That means it's getting warmer. And because it's induction, it's gonna warm on, like it's gonna make a circle. So in the middle is gonna be your hot spot. So you have to move it around so that way everything gets warm. Okay. And I want to make sure it's warm because I'm going to put the crema, and I want to make sure it melts it, and it gets, you know, if you're going to see it's going to get lighter. And that's what we call the Swiss enchilada, because they added crema. I don't know why, but I guess it's something I need to research. Why a Swiss enchilada? Very simple. Has a unique taste compared to just a little more bland, more cheesy taste than your regular green enchilada. Let me see if it's this one enough. So now we're gonna put several. I'm gonna put 3 tablespoons, so generous tablespoons of cream cheese. Okay, not cream cheese, sour cream. In this case, Mexican cream. And we're gonna melt it. Mix it with the green sauce. If you notice, it's getting a little lighter, the sauce. And it's gonna be real good. It has that little green sauce taste with the cream, sour cream. In this case, because we're loosening up the taste, if you want to, you know, which I will, I'm gonna add a little salt. Okay, because it does take, you know, some of the flavor away. So a little salt, and I see it getting warmer. So I mix it. And I lower the temperature to warm. I want to make sure that it's nice and warm. I don't want to make it too hot, too warm. And here it is, your Swiss enchilada. Your crema para enchiladas suizas. Nothing hard, nothing difficult. Once again, you can use sour cream. Okay? And of course, we're going to start doing what we love best. Alright guys, drop it like it's hot, not for too long. I'm just gonna to the other side, and now that it's nice and toasty, not too soft either, but also not too hard, I'm gonna drop it in here. This looks delicious. And we're gonna put here. And we're gonna put some chicken. Okay. And I'm gonna add cheese in the middle. In this case, a little different recipe. Okay. And we're gonna fold it like we all know how to fold it. We're gonna do 3 of those. Okay. Do 2 turns. I want it to be a little crispy because when I put it here, it's gonna. If it's not crispy enough, it's gonna break. So I think my oil is a little bit on the down. So now that it's crispy, I put it on the sauce. Once again, put it on the sauce. some chicken. Delicious chicken. You notice I don't put as much as the other ones because I'm going to put some cheese inside. And I'm going to go like this. And fold it. Got my third enchilada in there. And wait for that to cook. Meantime, I'm going to put my rice a little more because this one isn't warming up. Okay, I don't want a tostada, right? I don't want tostadas. And enchiladas, you know, they usually put onions on it, on the middle. My daughter doesn't like onions at all, so I tend to stay away from onions. But yeah, I mean, I like onions. But it's just whatever rules your house, right? And when it comes down to my house, definitely my daughter rules. That's how it is. You know, if she doesn't eat it, she doesn't like. She's very political correct, you know, where she doesn't say that she didn't like it, but you can see how much they eat. And I give them vegetables and everything, but they don't tend to like it a lot. So we're gonna done with this. It's gonna be our third enchilada. Usually I eat 4, but today I'm gonna eat 2. And I take 4 to work. Not a bad idea, huh? Some chicken here. A little more chicken. And cheese in the middle. Like the other ones. And we're gonna fold it. This one is a little fatty. So it's gonna fold a little hard. See? And now you have your enchiladas. Once again, we'll put cheese on top. Make it cheeser. And now we're going to put our, turn this off. And we're going to put our sauce on top of the enchilada. This is delicious, guys. This looks good to eat right now. Which I definitely will eat something. I have the opportunity to eat it. If you notice, there's a lot of sauce in there. And we're done. And we're going to put our little side over here with a little of this. Turn off this because it's going to be I'm going to use it later. And of course, we're going to use our rice. What is without Spanish rice? This is very important to have in your house. Spanish rice, nice and warm. You can make more if you want to. And here it is, the Swiss enchiladas. You can't get better than this, guys. Let me give you the Swiss enchiladas. We got the red, we got the Swiss, we got the green, and we got the mole. And we'll find out which one is the best. Give me before you give me a chance, okay? Thank you very much. Have a blessed day. Don't forget to subscribe.